top leading causes of death worldwide and in the Philippines are cardiovascular and cerebrovascular diseases. These diseases pertain to the heart, the blood vessels, and the brain. Heart attack and brain attack, which is commonly known as stroke, is brought about by inadequate or compromised blood supply and oxygenation to the heart and the brain, which may result from thrombosis. Thrombosis, or the formation of thrombi, also called blood clot, is greatly influenced by blood viscosity or thickness of the blood. Blood viscosity or thickness, on the other hand, is determined by various factors, among which are the aggregation or clumping of red blood cells and platelets, as well as the natural release of clotting factors by the body. Clot formation is the body's natural capability to stop or arrest bleeding. Therefore, it is an important mechanism for self-preservation. However, there are instances when the body forms unnecessary blood clots, such as those that block the blood vessels and lead to inadequate nutrition and blood supply to tissues, as what happens during heart attack and stroke. To avoid unnecessary blood clot formation and to dissolve existing blood clots, medications such as anticoagulants, antithrombotics, fibrinolytics, and thrombolytics are administered. Use of such synthetic drugs are necessary given emergency conditions and situations. With synthetic drug use, however, side effects are inevitable. Among said side effects of blood thinning agents are bleeding, blood dyscrasia, hypersensitivity reactions, and drug-to-drug interactions. In man's quest to find better solutions to achieve health, Nattoshield was discovered. Nattoshield contains the enzyme nattokinase, which prevents the formation of unnecessary blood clots and helps dissolve small clots that may have already formed. Nattokinase is an enzyme produced by the bacteria called Bacillus subtilis natto on soybean. It has been clinically proven to act as a fibrinolytic and thrombolytic agent as well. Nattoshield prevents unnecessary blood clot formation without affecting the body's natural capability to form clots when they are needed. Hence, when injury happens, the body is still able to arrest bleeding and preserve itself. Nattoshield maintains optimum blood circulation, which does not only prevent heart attack and stroke, but also helps regulate blood pressure. Blood pressure regulation is achieved with the use of Nattoshield, as optimum blood circulation is facilitated in the lower limbs. The benefits of Nattoshield include improved blood circulation throughout the body, prevention of the formation of unnecessary blood clots, thereby preventing thrombosis that lead to heart attack and stroke, lysis of small clots, and blood pressure control among hypertensives. Energy, as defined by Albert Einstein, is the capacity to do work. It is necessary for individuals to have a sufficient amount of energy to be able to accomplish things that need be. These may pertain to one's job, duty, or profession, as well as relationships that need to be nourished and maintained, such as those with family and friends. Because our jobs, duties, and responsibilities matter to us, we would do anything to make sure that we have adequate energy to sustain us. Energy, however, is inevitably depleted by stressors, which may either be any of the following: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. It is often the case that stressors come as a combination of these factors. Now, what can be done to gain and sustain energy at the same time? Some resort to energy drinks. Others use drugs and medications. But the wise use supplements, which enhance the body's capacity to produce its own energy and sustain it as well. Vital Gold is such a supplement that enhances energy production without undesirable side effects. It is a powerful combination of select ingredients, namely tongkat ali, muira puama, maca, ginkgo biloba, and Cistantiae tubulosa, which boost energy production and provide nourishment to the rest of the body. It also helps maintain optimum blood circulation as it dilates or opens up blood vessels when need arises. Vital Gold boosts energy, dilates blood vessels, and contributes to one's overall health.